Hello student, this is weekend special video. In this video we will discuss NEET and AIPMT exam question of polymer chapter from 1988 to 2019. First question, nylon is an example of polyamide class of polymer. So that answer of a first question is B, polyamide, that is CONH group. Second question, which one of the following is not a condensation polymer? Here answer is D, neoprene, because neoprene is addition polymer. As we know, condensation polymer are the polymers which eliminate water, ammonia and alcohol molecule during the polymerization reaction. So that answer of a second question is neoprene. Third question, of the following which one is a classified as a polyester class of polymer? Here answer is A, terylene or dacron. Terylene or dacron is prepared by ethylene glycol and terphthalic acid molecule, in which water molecule is eliminated and ester group is formed. So that answer of a third question is terylene A. Fourth question, one thing is given is a blank. One thing is given, that is NH with the active site, CH2 6 time, NH, CO, CH2 4 time and CO. Now fourth question, it is a preparation of nylon 6,6, and nylon 6,6 is a example of copolymer. So that answer for a fourth question is D, that is copolymer. In some cases it is also right, that is act as a thermosetting, but the final answer for a fourth question is copolymer. Question number 5, which one of the following is a chain growth polymer? Here chain growth polymer, then answer is polystyrene, because starch, nucleic acid and protein are biomolecule. So that answer of fifth question is polystyrene. Sixth question, in elastomer intermolecular attraction force, this thing is directly asked from the textbook. The attraction force in elastomer are weak. So that answer of a sixth question is B. Seventh question, natural rubber is prepared from cis 1,4 polyisoprene. Hence all the configuration that are present in a natural rubber is a cis configuration. So that answer of a seventh question is all cis configuration. Question number 8, biodegradable polymer which can be produced from glycine and aminocaproic acid. This polymer, glycine and aminocaproic acid, is nylon 2 and nylon 6. We know that nylon 2 and nylon 6 polymer is prepared from glycine and aminocaproic acid, which become biodegradable. So that answer for question 8 is nylon 2, nylon 6. Question number 9, caprolactam is used for the manufacturing of, it is a very easy and directly asked from textbook. Answer is A, nylon 6. On hydrolysis of a caprolactam we get nylon 6. Question number 10, which of the following is an example of thermosetting polymer? Here thermosetting polymer means polymer which is not affected by temperature. Three polymers are there which become thermosetting: bakelite, melamine and urea formaldehyde. So here answer is D, which is a novolec, that is an intermediate step for the preparation of bakelite. Question number 11, which of the following organic compounds polymerize to form polyester dacron? Answer is C, terphthalic acid and ethylene glycol. This is directly asked from the textbook. These are the two monomers which is utilized to prepare dacron. So that answer of question number 11 is C, terphthalic acid and ethylene glycol. Question number 12. Which is the monomer of neoprene in the following? Here answer is B. CH2 double bond C Cl single bond CH double bond CH2. 2-chloro 1,3-butadiene, or we can say 2-chloro but 1,3-diene, is a monomer for the preparation of neoprene. So that answer of question number 12 is B. Question number 13. Which of the following statement is false? Which of the following statement is false? We focusing directly on answer. Here answer is B. Nylon 66 is an example of elastomer. It is wrong. Nylon 66 is an example of fiber. So that answer of question number 13 is B, and the remaining statements are true. Question number 14. Which of the following sets from the forms a biodegradable polymer? Question number 14. Which of the following forms biodegradable polymer? Here answer is B. NH2CH2COOH and NH2CH25COOH. By using these two monomer, we can prepare nylon 2, nylon 6, which become biodegradable polymer, and others are non-biodegradable polymer. Question number 15. Which of the following structure represent neoprene? Here answer is A. 2-chloro 1,3-butadiene is a use for the preparation of neoprene, and answer is A. CH2C Cl double bond CH CH2. Question number 16. Structure of some common polymers are given. Which one is not correctly represented? Answer is A. Neoprene. Here neoprene is 2-chloro 1,3-butadiene. So additionally CH2 group is present. So that answer of question number 16, the things that become wrong in a given question, that is neoprene. Option A. Question number 17. Which of the following statement is not true? We are directly focusing on an answer, that is answer is B. Natural rubber has a trans configuration at every double bond. It is wrong. Natural rubber that possesses cis configuration at all, or we can say at every double bonded carbon. So instead of a trans, if cis is there, then it become right. So answer for question number 17 is B. Natural rubber has a trans configuration at every double bond. It is wrong regarding the question. Question number 18. Which one of the following polymer is prepared by condensation polymer? Here answer is nylon 6,6. In nylon 6,6, hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid as react together, then they form nylon 6,6 with releasing of water molecule. So that answer is nylon 6,6. Question number 19. The monomer of the polymer. Question number 19. The monomer of the polymer. Here answer is A. CH2 double bond C CH3 CH3. Double bond is going to be breakdown, that converting into single bond. So we get CH2C, top side CH3, bottom side CH3, carbon that become active. Once again CH2, single bond C, CH3, CH3, and the valency of carbon is not satisfied, hence it contains positive charge. So the answer of question number 19 is A. Question number 20. Acrylic is a hard, horny, and high melting material. Which of the following represent its structure? It is directly question. It is the answer is B, that is CH2CHCN, polyacrylonitrile. Question number 21. Which one of the following monomer gives the polymer neoprene on polymerization? Here answer is D, that is 2-chloro 1,3-butadiene. Neoprene is prepared from chloroprene, that is CH2C Cl single bond CH double bond CH2. Question number 22. monomer of CCH3CH3CH2 is blank. Here answer is A, 2-methyl propene, in which double bond is converting into single bond. So we get carbon CH3 CH3 single bond CH2 and it become active. So answer of question number 22 is A, 2-methyl propene. Question number 23. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Here answer is A, pteryline. In case of pteryline, ester group must be required, means COO is required, but in option A only CO is there instead of COO. That is wrong. So that wrong option, or we can say incorrect option, is A, that is pteryline. This thing is not right. Question number 24. CF2 double bond CF2 is a unit of, it is a Teflon. Answer is Teflon, that is directly asked from the textbook. Question number 25. Natural rubber is a polymer of, natural rubber is a polymer of, answer is isoprene. 1,4 or we can say cis 1,4 polyisoprene is also known as a natural rubber. So that answer is B, isoprene. Nylon 6,6 is prepared. Nylon 6,6 is a polyamide obtained by the reaction of, we are knowing nylon 6,6 is prepared from hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. So that answer is B, COOH CH2 4 times COOH, that become adipic acid, plus NH2 CH2 6 NH2, that become hexamethylene diamine. Question number 27. Bakelite is prepared by the reaction between, it is the heading of a bakelite polymer. Bakelite polymer is also known as a phenol formaldehyde polymer. So that phenol and formaldehyde are the monomer for the preparation of a bakelite. So that answer of question number 27 is phenol and formaldehyde. Question number 28. An example of a biopolymer. Biopolymer means like a biomolecule. So the answer is DNA. Question number 29. Which one of the following is used to make non-stick cookware? Here answer is C, that is Teflon, or we can say polytetrafluoroethylene. Here, these are the questions of polymer chapter that is asked in NEET and AIPMT exam from 1988 to 2019. Thank you all.